how to work at Walmart, requirements, and where to apply. Imagine being part of one of the biggest companies in the world where your job could impact millions of customers every single day. If you've ever thought about working at Walmart, this video is your shortcut to everything you need to know. Let's break down the exact requirements, the application process, and what it's really like to work at Walmart so you can start your journey with confidence. First things first, Walmart isn't just a retail giant. It's a place where you can build a career whether you're looking for your first job, a part-time gig, or a long-term opportunity in management, logistics, or tech. So, what do you need to work at Walmart? Let's start with the basic requirements. You must be at least 16 years old to work at most store positions. For jobs in the distribution centers or truck driving, you'll usually need to be 18 or older. You must have legal authorization to work in the US. A high school diploma or GED is often preferred but not always required. You'll need to pass a background check, and in some roles, a drug screening may also be required. But here's what matters just as much: your attitude. Walmart looks for people who are friendly and customer-focused, able to work in fast-paced environments, team players who are dependable and on time, open to learning new skills and growing inside the company. What kind of jobs can you apply for? Let's break it into 4 major areas. 1. Store and club associates. These are the customer-facing roles at Walmart stores or Sam's Club locations. Think cashiers, stockers, cart attendants, and team leads. 2. Warehouse and distribution center jobs. If you like hands-on, physical work, and don't mind a high-energy environment, this is where Walmart's supply chain magic happens. 3. Corporate roles. From merchandising and accounting to marketing, HR, and legal, these jobs are based at headquarters or remote. 4. Technology and product teams. Walmart is a major tech employer. They hire for software engineers, data analysts, UX designers, and more. Each path offers its own pay scale, benefits, and potential for growth. And here's something many people don't know: Walmart promotes from within a lot. Do you need experience? Not necessarily. Walmart is known for hiring entry-level candidates and training them from day one. For example, want to be a cashier? Just bring a good attitude, show up on time, and be ready to learn the register. Looking at a warehouse role, you'll get trained on equipment and safety procedures. Thinking about long-term growth? Walmart offers training academies, scholarships, and leadership tracks that can turn your job into a real career. In fact, many store managers started as hourly associates. So, where do you apply? Here's how to apply for a job at Walmart. 1. Visit the official Walmart Careers website. 2. Create an account and fill out your profile. 3. Search by location and job type. 4. Fill out the online application. It usually takes about 30-60 minutes. 5. Some roles will include an assessment test, so be ready to show off your skills and personality. You can also apply in store using hiring kiosks, but applying online gives you more control over tracking your status and applying for multiple roles. What happens after you apply? If your application is successful, the process usually goes like this. 1. Initial contact by a hiring manager. 2. Phone or in-person interview, depending on the role. 3. A background check. 4. Job offer and onboarding. The timeline can vary, sometimes fast, sometimes a few weeks. Stay proactive and check your application status online. What is it really like to work at Walmart? You're part of a huge team. Things move quickly. You'll interact with a lot of people. The work can be physical. Schedules may include nights, weekends, or holidays. But the benefits are solid. Depending on the role and hours, you could get medical, dental, and vision insurance, 401k matching, stock purchase plans, paid time off, college tuition coverage through Walmart's Live Better You program, and perhaps the biggest perk, career mobility. You can move up, move sideways, switch departments. Walmart is like a city of opportunity. You just need to step in. If you're ready to take the first step toward a Walmart job, you've got all the tools you need. Drop a like if this helped you out, and comment below what Walmart role are you most interested in.